So what you want to do next is we'll start with the roof. Measure the roof. 33 3/8. And now let's see the other side. Should be similar. 33 3/8. And the height 16 on this side. 17, 16, 17. So we'll just make 17 by 33 3/8. Let's grab a pencil. 33 3/8, 17. Should measure it. 33 3/8. And go 17 times 2. I'm gonna need 17 here, 17 here. So total will be 34. 33 3/8. Let's grab something flat. Put it here. You can use a ruler, whatever you want. I'm just gonna use this. Same thing here. 34. And then 17. So what you want to do, use a nail gun or a screwdriver. So you line it up, make sure everywhere lines up. Leftover you can cut it off. Just like that. Here. Want to line it up just like this. Straighten this up. Like that. What you want to do next is another piece. It's almost the same length. You go line it up, make sure everything's straight. It looks pretty straight. And now on one side, and now the other side. Same thing on the bottom. And then look inside. Probably nail a few more here. So let's cut one more piece for this side. It'll be about 33 plus. You put one here, right there. Make a line. Then we want to make another cut. This, we'll just put it on the side for now. It'll be easy to work. Nice and level, nice and straight. Make sure it's straight here. Put one here. Put one right here. So what I'm going to do next is measure from here to here 20.5, and from here to here 27.25, and just cut a rectangular piece like that. So I measured right here, and now I'm going to cut it, this piece. So nice and straight. And then mark it here. So when I flip it over, I still have this line to cut. So when we go here, voila, just like that. Line this up, lines up here, here, lines up the bottom, everything lined up, nail it. Voila. And then put one here. Mine's pretty much done. I'm gonna leave this area open because this house will be for the cats, and that way you can see what the cat is doing right here. Obviously I'm gonna sand this all off, do some caulking, prep it for painting, and then next step I'm gonna do is paint it. So that's what it looks like now. As you can see, right there. And that's what looks the bottom. But you can put something on the bottom if you want. I don't need to. So let me get this. That's what it looks like.